Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to remove background from photos using AI mobile apps. If you want to remove the background of your photos, so you just have to install an application from Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar, and here you just have to search for AI background remover. Just search for it, and after that you just have to install this application. Just install it. After the installation, you just have to open this app. Just tap on open, and then the app will be open. You just have to skip the ad first, and now just choose your language. And here you just have to tap on this. Just select the three ones, and then tap on next. Just start the app and allow the app to your gallery. After skipping the ad, you just have to tap on remove VG. Just tap on it and then allow the app notification and then allow in to your gallery, and then your gallery will be opened. Just tap here and choose the picture you want to remove BG. As I am choosing this one, so just tap on it, and then you just have to skip the ad again, and here you can see the background of the picture has successfully removed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.